Do you remember the sharp turns and dangerous situations in the previous episode that still made viewers' hearts skip a beat? Prepare yourself for breathtaking moments when the destructive power explodes to a whole new level. And now, let's admire the destructive power of the Volvo EC290C at Elstoff Viken. Each powerful stroke destroys all obstacles. If you are also fascinated, don't forget to leave the number 1 in the comment section so that we can follow along with you until the end of the video. A special scene shows the transport of the giant Tesmec 1675 excavator weighing up to 341,700 pounds. The massive machine moves slowly, each wheel bearing maximum stress, creating a majestic image of power and precision in heavy-duty transportation. Continuing the dramatic competition between JCB and BULL. Strong collisions, fierce engine roars, creating a breathtaking confrontation. Power and technique blend together, making it impossible for viewers to take their eyes off this eye-catching performance. The powerful excavator, with its overwhelming power, can easily destroy an Audi car in a moment. The excavator's boom extended. The powerful impact from the heavy machinery crushed the car, turning it into a pile of scrap metal in an instant.
Nobody's in that.
If you are fascinated by these daring driving stunts, drop the number 1 in the comment section below. Leading the field of sewer and pipeline construction, the Chemrock EK140 chainsaw demonstrates superior power. The machine operates precisely, cuts effectively, creating a bustling and professional scene on the construction site. Will Vejda be able to overcome all the challenges? If the video impressed you, don't forget to leave a 1 in the comments. This is not simply a river crossing, but an uncompromising life and death battle with harsh nature. The truck struggled, every minute and every second trying to escape the thick, challenging layer of ice and snow. Elsewhere, a mobile crane accident in the Chemin de Cove mountains of Val d'Isère caused a stir. The crane tipped over, but with its powerful engine and superior horsepower, it was quickly recovered, a testament to the durability of the specialized equipment. Not stopping there, the Verhoef pile driver operates powerfully, each blow resoundingly hitting the ground and rocks. This mighty machine demonstrates great destructive power, creating a vibrant and energetic construction site scene, preparing a solid foundation for the future. Oh my gosh, I'm really speechless right now. All attempts to get the lawnmower out of the pickup truck have been a total failure. If you are interested in this dramatic journey, don't forget to leave comment number 1. And now, with a powerful 500 horsepower engine, the 244 Turbo easily overcomes the ice and snow. The special design and advanced transmission system help the car maintain grip and operate stably, despite the harsh weather conditions, creating an impressive scene. A boat burst burst into flames at Dania Beach, Florida. The fire spread quickly. Black smoke billowed into the air, creating a chaotic and tense scene. Rescue equipment worked urgently in the stuffy air, determined to put out the fire.
They're at the their camera behind it. Right there behind it.
Have you ever witnessed the destructive power of a giant excavator? The Caterpillar 323F operates continuously, persistently building the dry dock, clearing every pebble. The powerful bucket reaches far, pulling up each large iron pipe, creating a powerful rumbling sound. Starting with tremendous power, the 500 horsepower engine excavator easily climbs the vehicle, quickly unloading gravel. The durable engine maintains stability, providing optimal operating performance, helping the job to be completed efficiently and smoothly. Following video number 4 with the giant Tesmec 1675 excavator, this is followed by the transport of the Cougar wind turbine blades to Oyster Bay. The 600 horsepower engine roars loudly, pulling the giant blades up the challenging Humansdorp slope, creating an epic performance in the middle of wild nature. Here's an impressive sight. The Caterpillar D8T, with its powerful engine roaring on the riverbed, pushing rocks and clearing the construction area. The durable design and ability to work in harsh environments help the machine complete the leveling and construction work effectively and powerfully. Right here, where mechanical power and technical sophistication blend together perfectly. McAleese Transport is moving a 380,000-pound payload, an incredible feat of engineering. Every movement is calculated to the millimeter, coordinated like a steel symphony, turning the transportation journey into a breathtaking and captivating performance. This is a site that only exists in large-scale mines. 3 giant electric excavators, including P&H4100XPC, CAT 7495 and P&H4100XPB appear together. Each powerful dig seems to tear the ground apart, creating a majestic and overwhelming industrial scene.